Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you friends? I hope you all guys are doing very well. So friends, in today's video, I'm going to give you a technique. The technique is that someone asked me that ma'am please give me any technique which help me to be fluent in English. So I thought that why am I not creating a video on this topic, because this is a very common question. This is a very common problem faced by every English learner. So and that's why I created a video on this topic. So in this video I am going to give you what are the techniques we have to follow to be fluent in English and how can we follow these types of technique. So in this video I'm going to give you two types of suggestion. First is that what are the techniques we have to follow to be fluent in English, and the second technique is that how can we follow these techniques. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. Okay, and if you are new, then please do subscribe and don't skip the video. If you skip the video, that means you are going to missing the opportunity that I'm going to share with you in this video. So watch the video right till then. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. So today's topic is that ma'am, how to be fluent in English. Okay, so this is a very common question asked by every English learner. Okay, how to be fluent in English, how to be fluent in English. So in this video I'm going to tell you how did I learn this, how did I learn this language. So today video is going to totally depend on my experience. Okay, what did I follow the techniques and how can I follow the techniques. So in this video I'm going to give you all the suggestion. The first thing is that what are the techniques. Okay, so take this take English speaking as a skill. Take it as a skill. Take it as a language, simple as a language, not take it bigger than it. Okay, so take it as a simple language. Okay, if you want to be fluent in English, then you should start to focus only three things. What are they? They are, first is attitude, second is knowledge, and third is skill. So what is attitude? Okay, so attitude is that if we want to learn something, okay, just listen carefully. Okay, if we want to learn something, then we have to try for it. Okay, so it is just like you want to slim, then you should focus on gym, you should take a decision for exercise. So if you want to learn something, then first thing is that take a right decision. Yes, if you want to learn this language, first take a right decision, first take a determination. Yes, I am going to learn this language. What whenever come in my mind, I'm not thinking the people laugh at me. Okay, yeah, if I am doing wrong grammatically, I'm not thinking all these things. Okay, I am going to learn this language. Oh, if it is okay if I do mistake, it's okay. If people laugh at me, it's okay. Let them laugh. Okay, let people laugh, don't worry. If you do mistakes, don't worry, do mistakes, but take a decision. Yes, you are going to learn this language. Whatever it's not going to demotivated you. Okay, just take a right decision. Okay, yes, yeah, I am going to learn this language anyhow. So this is called attitude. Okay, this is called attitude challenge. First take a attitude challenge, and the second thing is that knowledge challenge. What is the knowledge? Okay, if you want to learn something, that means first you take a decision. Yes, first you try to learn for this. Okay, तो आपको कोशिश तो करनी पड़ेगी ना. And after that, what you need to do? You should collect some knowledge. Okay, you should collect some knowledge for any skill what you want to learn. Okay, if you want to drive a car, so You should have a knowledge. This is a brake, this is a accelerator, and this is a clutch. Okay, and these are gear. Okay, this is a gear, and this is a steering. So you should focus everything. What will happen when I push the brake? Okay, so it is called a knowledge. Okay, first you take a decision, it is called a attitude. First you take a attitude, yes, I'm going to learn this thing. And if you want to learn this language, then you have to focus to collect of some knowledge. Okay, so take first decision is that, take first step is that, take attitude. Okay, and the second thing is knowledge. You have to focus on collecting some sentences. Okay, situation based sentences. I'm not going to say you that learn so many type of grammar. No, I'm not going to say you, just I'm going to say you to collect some few sentences which is repeatedly happen in your life. Just when you get up early in the morning, then what are the 5 sentences you should to speak in English? Okay, so in this way you can collect some more sentences. Okay, when you are going to the bus, and at that time, what are some few sentences which you have to need to speak out? Okay, if you are going to watch the movie, then what are the few sentences when somebody asked you what was the movie? So in this way you have some few sentences. Okay, for if you want to fight with someone, so you have some sentences. If you want to abuse someone, you have some few sentences. So collect different type situation based sentences. Okay, what happened to collect different kind of sentences? It happened when you repeat these sentences again and again, give me an example. If you get up one early in the morning, okay, so you have a 5 or 6 sentences to say something in English. Okay, when I get up early in the morning, so I brush my teeth, I take a bath, I do worship, and then I go to the bus. So these types of some few sentences you have to collect. Okay, so and after that you repeat these sentences in your daily routine. Okay, if you are going to bus, then what the two friends conversation with each other. Okay, what are, if you are in coffee shop, then what are few sentences to buy a coffee and still in this way. So I gave you an example. So in this way you have to collect some few sentences, situation based sentences. Okay, so when you speak these sentences again and again, after that one day 5 times. Okay, and after that, after 2 days you should speak these sentences, and after that 3 or 4th day you should speak these sentences, and after 1 week you can repeat this sentence. So what happened for this? It happened your knowledge turn into the skill. Okay, so you understand what are the three things are attitude, second is knowledge, and third is skill. So English speaking is a skill. Okay, majority of people they know the English is a skill. They see English as a skill. So you want to learn this skill. Okay, so what you have to do? First you take a good attitude. Okay, whatever is doing. Okay, it's not matter you are speaking right or you are speaking wrong. It's not matter. If people laugh at you, then let them laugh, don't worry. But you have a good attitude. Yes, I am going to learn this language. And after that you have to collect some more few sentences. Okay, situation based sentences, and these sentences you have to repeat and speak out again and again. And after that these sentences will will turn into a skill. You should start speaking in English automatically, and then when you do repeatedly again and again, so you should have a skill. So friends, it your attitude, your knowledge turn into a skill. So friends, if you want to learn this language, then take this challenge as a skill. It is a skill. Speaking English, it is a skill. Okay, friends. So in this way, you can easily learn this language. So what you need to do? So these are five techniques which I gave you. These are attitude, knowledge and skill. And what you need to do, what how can you apply on these techniques? So I gave you some techniques, some example. So friends, I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.